Hi friends, this is Kartikeya and I am here to entertain you through science. So let's start our today's video. Humans launched the first satellite on October 4th, 1957, named Sputnik 1. Since then, so many satellites were launched by many countries. Voyager 1 is also a satellite launched by USA on September 5th, 1977, and it is sending pictures of space till today. It traveled approximately 1880 crore kilometers. Have you ever wondered how it is sending pictures from 1880 crore kilometers distance away? Because there is no internet in the space. Then which network it is using? We will know this in today's video. If we want to send any image, we use WhatsApp, which requires internet. But how satellites will send images? Because there is no Bluetooth or internet in space. Images are sent through radio waves because these rays can travel long distance with high speed. Voyager 1 also uses same waves. Even though it uses radio waves, it takes nearly 17 hours to receive any image from Voyager 1 to Earth. Although radio waves travel at a speed of 3 lakhs kilometers per second, it takes that much time. Then we can know how much distance it traveled. The name itself says voyage means traveling long distance. So they kept the name as Voyager 1. You may have a doubt how NASA scientists are sending radio waves into space. Then we have to know about Deep Space Network or DSN. There are big antennas located in USA, Spain and Australia to send radio waves into space. It can communicate with any satellite or spacecraft in the space. It is so powerful that it can communicate with satellite which is million kilometers away also. In Chandrayaan 2 mission, when Vikram lander failed to land and lost communication with ISRO, NASA's Deep Space Network sent radio waves to recover communication, but it failed. Voyager 1 has a brother also. Its name is Voyager 2. Do you know an interesting fact that Voyager 1 is launched after Voyager 2? Then you may have a doubt why they named numbers in reverse order. These two probes were launched in 1977 so that they can get an advantage. That is, all planets in our solar system will line up. Means all planets will be on same line like this. This will occur only once in 175 years. It helps to reduce fuel usage for probes. So they were launched in that particular year. Scientists know that Voyager 1 will travel faster than Voyager 2. So they kept the name according to the speed. It means which will travel faster and leave our solar system. Voyager 1 will travel faster and leave our solar system. So they kept its name as Voyager 1, although it launched after Voyager 2. Voyager 1 also has a disk in it. Its name is Voyager Golden Record. In this record, images and sounds of Earth were recorded, and greetings like thank you were recorded in all languages.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हम ज़मीन के रहने वालों की तरफ से आपको खुश आमदीद कहते हैं।
These are two greetings from record. They made it because aliens can know about our Earth. They kept a record player in probe to play the disc. In 1980, when Voyager 1 was near Saturn planet, they turned off the cameras of Voyager 1 to save energy. Because Voyager 1 uses electricity. They again turned on the cameras on 1990 and took the picture of entire solar system and many more interesting pictures like this picture, which shows our Earth as a tiny dot in the big universe. They turned off the camera once again and did not turn on till now. It is the first man-made object to leave our solar system and enter deep space. But the sad news is, by 2025, we will lose contact with Voyager 1 because the electricity in it will be finished and cannot transmit data to Earth. But it will continuously travel in space. I will tell you how it is possible. In space, if we travel at a speed, then you will continuously travel at same speed, even if fuel is empty also. For example, if you are traveling at 10 km per hour speed on a bike in space, then you will be traveling at same speed throughout space. Even engine stops working also. If you want to increase speed, you can accelerate, and you can stop when you hit anything or apply force in opposite direction. Otherwise, you cannot stop. This happens in space due to lack of gravity and friction. Voyager 1 will be an amazing probe throughout the history of space, and it is a big achievement for humans. Friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for notification. Also like and share this video. Watch my previous video, Interesting Facts Part 2, link given in description.